everybody. Welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Beauty Pageants with me, Hesha Chima. I hope you guys are safe and indoors. And today on Lockdown Diaries, I've got with me somebody who's not just one of the Liva Miss Diva 2020 finalists, but she's also a model and an entrepreneur. Join me in welcoming none other than the gorgeous and the beautiful Roshali Yadav. Hey Roshali, what's up? How have you been?
Hi, Isha. I'm good. Thank you for having me. It was such a wonderful journey of Liva Miss Diva, and I'm glad that we are again, reunion during lockdown. It has been great. How about you?
Well, I have been good. I keep telling people that I have my good days and my bad days just like everybody else. Why don't you tell me how has this second lockdown been for you?
Honestly, I'm glad that I'm getting the time to be at home with my family. Plus, I'm sad about, we are not working again. One more thing, my brother is going to Canada. So, this is the best time period for me to be with him.
Yeah, I can totally relate. You've been a model, like people do know you, they recognize you, you're a face in yourself. My question to you is that after having hustled for so long, suddenly when this pause comes, how do you sort of deal with it? What's your coping mechanism like?
This lockdown, I am gonna honestly tell you this thing. I've gone through some phase which has, tortured me mentally. And I'm being blessed by my family that they have been, very supportive during this time. They want me to be happy. They want themselves to be happy. And I would suggest everyone to, just be strong during this time. So just be happy in whatever, the little things you do at home. Even if you're cooking with your mom, even if you're just sitting and you're in your garden, you're just, with your daddy or your pet or anything. Just trying to be happy in little things.
That's so true. So, Rishari, like on a lighter note, like we've been stalking you on your Instagram, and we all know that you've got over some 40K followers on your Instagram, people always watching you, and you are always putting up such amazing content. You look fabulous in all of your pictures. Do you ever have a plan or a content strategy to sort of, be relevant on social media? What is it that goes up, behind in your mind?
So basically, I'm very random to social media. Of course, I want to, engage with the audience. I want them to know about, what's going on in my life. But there's no strategy or planning, to what will I post or nothing like that. Whatever I feel, whatever my work is, it's more of my profile. If somebody wants to see my work, they can come to my profile and they can eventually see what kind of a girl I am, what is my work.
Yeah, I think just yourself, and I think that's one of the key takeaways for a lot of people who want to build their social media, not to imitate anybody but be like yourself and do whatever you feel is right. But Roshali, you've been a model, and you said you're just 23 but you come with a plethora of experience. Give us some few tips to make our pictures on social media look model like.
Tips on pictures. Okay, so the best advice I've got from one of these stylists was, be you. Okay, be natural. Okay, whenever you come in front of the camera, you don't have to be someone else. You don't have to change yourself. If you go and if you scroll down, you'll see my pictures, you'll see the difference. Okay, there was a different Roshali, now it's a different Roshali. So I think it comes with the experience and with the time.
Very rightly said, especially when you're so young and you're getting feedback, and you have to work on yourself. Sometimes we do tend to feel that we're not good enough, right? How is it that you do that, if you ever been through a situation like that?
So basically, there have been times when I see some other pictures or some other models, and when I see their work, you just start comparing yourself. So I started comparing my own work. So I see myself 2 years or 3 years back and what I'm doing right now. And then I start planning for the future, what I will be after 3 years. So it's my way of doing it. So every day I'm being my own inspiration. You learn from your mistakes only, and you learn from your experience only. So it's very important for you to, compare yourself and just motivate yourself and do great in life.
Wow, that's so beautiful, right? Because all you're doing is you're primarily leveling up your own self. What is it that you're watching right now on Netflix? I've been asking this to almost everybody who's on the show.
So right now I'm watching this series called Rubin. It's kind of very interesting and detective kind of a thing. I really like it. And before that, I started it in this lockdown. I never watched Friends, so I really want. Yeah, my brother pushed me to watch it.
Did you like it? I think it's one of the most cult shows amongst our generation. I'm
Yeah.
just taking the liberty to put myself in your generation, but yeah.
It's fun to watch it, because there is Monica and there's one more, the brother, what's his name?
Ross.
Ross. Sorry,
Yeah.
yeah. Me and my brother kind of, relate to that relation of Monica and Ross. So,
But do you
Yeah.
think you're a Monica in real life? Like, is that the character that you relate to the most?
I think I'm Rachel. A little lost in her life.
Oh, but I think she finds it very easy eventually. So it's good. I think you should finish the whole series, But Roshali, tell me something. I think during the lockdown also, like we girls especially are facing massive issues as far as our skin's concerned, as far as our hair's concerned, as far as going to a salon to get like your brows are concerned. How have you been grooming yourself?
I'm not at all grooming myself at all because it's just ghar ke nuske which I'm doing, okay?
Yeah, what is that one nuska that you swear by? Why don't you tell us about it?
You take dahi and besan and then you can add some honey in it. You can apply it on your body. Another one is papaya and cucumber. So you can just mix it in a mixer and then you just apply it on your face for some time. And one thing which I do, take a ball and just put ice and water in it and just put your face inside it like for a few seconds and then do it continuously for a minute.
For all you people out there who are actually watching this episode, Roshali has given us a lot of tips that I think we all should definitely try. And if you guys do end up trying it, please let us know in the comment section below because I'm sure Roshali would be interested in knowing how this particular thing worked out for you all. So, Roshali, tell me something like, let's say, finally the world becomes COVID-free and everything is lifted. What do you think is the first thing that you're going to do?
What I really want to do is I want to go to Himachal, Kasol. I want to have a good proper trip there, a solo trip or maybe with my friends.
So basically you're going to probably hit up, a place with your friends and holiday.
Yeah.
Great. I think, Roshali, we had such a great time interacting with you and I'm glad that you removed time to chat with us. And I really hope that very soon everything becomes COVID-free and you get to make this trip with your friends. And thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you so much for having me, Isha. And I had such a beautiful time with you. And I really hope we meet soon. And thank you for interacting with me.
Yeah, I really hope that we meet soon too. But till then, virtual is the thing. And to each and everybody who watched the episode, who tuned in today, thank you so much. For more such episodes, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. You give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do comment below and let us know if you tried any of the tips that Roshali shared. And tune in for the next episode of Lockdown Diaries with me, Hesha. Keep safe, stay indoors, always wear your mask. Bye.
Bye. Be safe.